The next Galaxy Z Flip 7 is expected to bring a significant improvement, especially in battery life. Many didn't anticipate a major boost, but recent leaks suggest that Samsung is continuing its trend of increasing battery capacity. Last year's Z Flip 6 already saw an upgrade, and now the Z Flip 7 is rumored to take it a step further. Reports indicate that the upcoming foldable will feature a 4,300 mAh battery, a jump from the 4,000 mAh capacity of the Z Flip 6. Looking at previous models, this is a notable change considering the Z Flip 5 only had a 3,700 mAh battery. Seeing back-to-back increases in battery size is rare for Samsung's foldables, particularly when comparing it to the Z Fold series, which has remained largely unchanged in this department. The last few models in that lineup have stuck with a 4,400 mAh battery, while the Z Fold 2 had an even bigger 4,500 mAh capacity back in 2020. This suggests Samsung is prioritizing battery life more for its Flip series rather than the Fold models. Similar to its predecessors, the Z Flip 7 is expected to use a dual battery setup. Leaks suggest that one battery will have a rated capacity of 2,985 mAh, while the second will be 1,189 mAh, which should translate to a total advertised capacity of 4,300 mAh. This marks a 7 to 8% increase from the previous model, which could result in longer usage time. However, the actual improvement might be even greater, as the Z Flip 7 is rumored to be powered by Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. This new processor is expected to not only enhance performance but also improve power efficiency, allowing the phone to last even longer on a single charge. Even with the larger battery, Samsung is reportedly keeping the design changes minimal. According to leaks, the Z Flip 7 will be slightly taller and wider than its predecessor, measuring 166.6 millimeters in height and 75.2 millimeters in width. That's only a small increase of about 1.5 millimeters in height and 3.3 millimeters in width compared to the Z Flip 6. The added space might be due to larger displays, as rumors suggest the main screen will grow from 6.7 inches to 6.8 inches, while the cover display will increase from 3.4 inches to 3.6 inches. Interestingly, despite these changes, a phone's thickness is said to remain at 6.9 millimeters. The weight hasn't been confirmed yet, but with a bigger battery, there's a possibility of it being slightly heavier. With these upgrades, the Z Flip 7 is shaping up to be a great option for those who need a long-lasting foldable phone. A larger battery means fewer interruptions to charge, which is particularly beneficial for frequent travelers or users who rely heavily on their devices throughout the day. While last year's model performed decently, it still trailed behind competitors like the Motorola Razr Plus 2024 in endurance tests. It will be interesting to see how this new version compares, especially against Motorola's next-generation Razr Plus 2025. What do you think about these changes? Would you consider upgrading to the Z Flip 7, or do you think Samsung should focus on other areas? Share your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.